Hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages, guidance, or warnings, or challenges or obstacles on your path in this particular week. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start? You can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. That's life-changing. Okay, and if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can mail us if you guys have any queries on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. So let's start, Aquarius. 30th, we have the lovers. You are going to feel unconditional love, especially towards the opposite sex. It's not lustful love. It's not love based on conditions. It's not love based on some kind of energy of, okay, I want that situation or that thing or that kind of energy from that particular person. Then only it's love. No, it's like the lovers in this particular deck is the divine love, the divine connection that you're going to feel with maybe multiple energies, multiple people. But you're going to realize the meaning of true love and unconditional love and universal love this particular day, if you're going to keep your energies and heart chakra open in that direction. Terms and conditions applied all the time. 31st, we have the new vision. So on the 31st, you're going to get up and you're going to feel you're the older ways are no longer working for you. You are no longer the same kind of person or energy that you used to be in the previous year. Something in you is shifting. Your vision is different. Your energies are different. You have a newfound energy and a newfound vision, and now it's going to make you feel very different from towards everything and everyone in a very positive way. Very good. Now the first, playfulness. So the more you are going to enjoy your life to the fullest, the more you are going to be in a playful kind of energy, Aquarius, the more universe is going to give you lots of love and blessings and good vibes and good energies. Okay, you don't have to take people, situations and things seriously all the time. You have to be in the playful kind of energy, playfulness kind of energy, and the universe is going to bring you more and more opportunities to live your life to the fullest. Wow. Okay, now 2nd January, we have the guilt. So Aquarius, you might have some kind of guilt or some kind of conflict within yourself on the 2nd of January, and you might feel the urge to do something about it. Please do something about it, whatever you can do in order to get out of that guilt. Maybe an apology, communication, or maybe something that you can be honest with, right, within yourself, and then this guilt will start vanishing. It could be a normal thing. It's not always something bigger like than life or something. No, nothing is bigger than life actually. But whatever it is, you can release it. You can ask for forgiveness. You can practice forgiveness and gratitude. Could be a very little thing, but this is something that's going to make you feel like, okay, my God, why I did that, why I did that, why I did that. Okay, just take care of this. 3rd, we have the fighting. So 3rd of January, you might end up fighting with somebody because of obviously not being able to come on the same page. Instead of fighting, instead of trying to prove your point with the fighting and making it worse, just try to prove your point with silence. Okay, you can just leave the situation, or you can take time to breathe and relax and cool down and give the same energy to the other person. And when you guys are going to be like, okay, calm and composed, then you guys can think about it or do something about it. Now again, it's not about romantic relationship. Please don't make everything romantic. I have seen in general readings also people making it all about love and then blaming me for not doing the general readings. Come on, man. Okay. 4th, transformation. So on the 4th of January, you are going to realize that there is a big shift that's going on within yourself, and you might feel irritated because your past self is leaving you and new self is about to come. You are in between the middle of transformation. So the more you are going to stay silent, the more you are going to stay in tune with your own energies, the more this transformation is going to be easier for you. Instead of going all verbal about it, instead of getting anxious about it, instead of thinking a lot about it all the time and getting worried, just try to surrender, try to talk to yourself, try to go inside of you and try to stay silent and calm and composed and let this phase pass. You will be amazed how easy it has become for you. 5th of January, breakthrough. Yeah, on the 5th of January, you are going to get a breakthrough in something. in some area of your life where you were continuously struggling, and you're going to feel, wow, this is amazing. I was never expecting to get this kind of breakthrough or result. Okay, so it's going to be sudden and surprising, but it's going to be very, very happy kind of surprise for you. Breakthrough that you were seeking for from quite a long time now is finally here. Wow, happy for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.